Buddy, Saturday, August 29th. Took a run down here to a consignment machinery sale. Just beautiful day out. Didn't have too much. I mean, there's stuff I could be doing, but we brought a couple things down here, and then there's a little livestock trailer we're kind of looking at buying. And of course, you never know what else you wind up with when you come to an auction. But I'll try to get a little footage for you, some different stuff here, and see what the day brings. There's a lot of stuff here that, of course, Justin and Jordan said I need to bring home. I don't know if that'll happen, but it's probably a little out of my price range, but we'll get to that in a minute. This row over here is usually the stuff that's more in my price range. I think this was one of the things on their list, which I have to say I probably wouldn't mind bringing home. It's actually a fair bit of stuff here. We were down here a couple days ago and there was a decent amount, but there's quite a bit more today. Looks like a pretty nice turnout too. They probably wouldn't mind that either. This is what Jordan wanted me to bring home here. When we were down here the other day, he wanted to make sure that this came home with me. And Justin, he was thinking a little bigger. He wanted that one. I have a feeling that this probably won't be coming home with me though. Oh. But it's got a seat here that would work for him anyway. That's probably what reason they wanted it the most.
$15,000. You're gonna go to where? We're gonna go to $15,000. You're gonna go to where? We're gonna go to $15,000 on the nice big one. You're gonna get $15,000. $10,000. But go 10. But go $10,000. But go to $10,000. You're gonna go to where? We're gonna get $10,000. 10 where? $5,000. But go where? We're gonna get 5. Go to 5. Go 5,500. But get 6,000. But go to 6,000. You're gonna go to 55. But go 6,000 where? 55. But go 6,000. You're gonna go. You heard her run starts nice. Now 65. 65. But go to 5. But go 5. But go to 5. Took it with Dale. 65. 65. But we're gonna get 65. But go 5. But go to 6,500. 6,500. You up? $6,500. Nice 2 plus 2. 65. Now 5. 62 and a half. But go to 5. 67 and a half. But we're going to get 67 and a half. Now 7. But go $7,000. We're going to good power here. 7,000. 72 and a half. 72 and a half. But go to where we're going to get 2 and a half. Go. Yeah. Rover 8 guys. 72 and a half. 7,000 on the money. Then 72 and a half. But we're going to get 2 and a half. 7,000. But go to 72 and a half. But we're going to get 2 and a half. Here to sell. 72 and a half. Next one sold. 72 and a half. I'm going to go to 7,000. Here we go. 2 and a half. But we're going to get 72 and a half. 7,000. 2 and a half. 5. 75. 75. So close. 75. I'm going to go to 5 now. 77 and a half. 77 and a half. 75. 50. I'm going to get 75 and 77 and a half. We're going to get 77 and a half. So right back here. 7,500. Thank you, sir. 416.
Well, the sale's over now. Didn't get the trailer that we were looking at. Brought a little more than we wanted. But I wound up buying a grain drill and a grain elevator. I'll show you those. The grain drill here, it's a John Deere. Oh, let's see, I believe this is an FB model. I actually just bought from a neighbor a Model B drill because I had the International press wheel drill before and it was a good drill, but I wanted one with the the rubber end wheels for traveling down the road and stuff. And plus, it was 10 foot, so if I wanted to put the Brilliant behind, I could. That International was wider. But anyway, I bought this because I was looking for a parts drill, just so I had, you know, whatever that one I bought needed a couple things. So I wound up buying this one, and this is actually, I think, in better shape than the one I bought, and I got it quite a bit cheaper. So maybe the other one will be my parts drill, but I'm not going to take it home today. I got to come take me. It's getting close to chore time now, so I'll come back maybe tomorrow or something and get this, but it doesn't look too bad. So here's the grain elevator I bought here. It's a 205 Owatonna, 40 foot long. One I've got at home is pretty worn out, and it doesn't have the flip down conveyor that had been taken off, and it also doesn't have the downspout. I had to use the one from my mom and dad's elevator. So this one's got the downspout cone, and then it's got the extension hopper that goes on there. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. Looks like it's been well oiled and everything like that. So I'm gonna I'll just pull this home, but tires are a little rough on it, so I'll pick up a couple of better tires at home and bring down. And we ain't too far, about 50 miles, so that ain't too bad. Take a day and just pull them home and take your time. Otherwise, to haul this on a trailer, I'd probably have to kind of take it down, so be easier just to tow it. I think that's what I did with the one for my folks that I bought down here. We just pulled it home. Wasn't too bad. So anyway, that price was right on it, so that's what we got there.
The boys told me we had a hen with chicks. Here's one. You got more than one? Ow! 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 Things I do for YouTube. Hey, it's okay, Mama. Oh, there's another one. And another one. Oh, look at them. They're so cute. It's okay, Mama. This is our new little heifer, Gypsy. What are you doing with her?
I go with I go that way. Jump it.
She found your kitten.
Mama, she wants to. Mommy, it's almost full.
Hey girls. Got some good oat hay? Hey Jingle. Hey Bessie. We got all our heifers back on the farm now that were over at Alan's mom and dad's for the summer. So there's a pretty big group here. Hey Dory, you're getting close to your due date. Yes you are. Hey April. What? She had a boy and a girl?
Mm-hmm.
Do you know the cow's name?
What?
Do you know what her cow's name is?
What?
It's Dory.
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 So what did Dory have?
Cat.
2 calves.
Mm-hmm.
What did she have?
2 cats.
But what are they?
Cat. A boy and a girl.
A boy and a girl, yep.
Boy and a girl.
This is a boy,
And a boy.
and that's the girl. Which most likely means that she's a free martin.
Oh! Oh! That's why I don't like this book. That's why I don't like what book. That's Ghana now. Mommy, first, I need to give it taste. That's not fair. That's not.
They're taking over your job.
You're retired, Daddy.
You hear that? You get to
I
retire.
don't know how much of it's actually getting in there.
Daddy.
Get it? There you go. Don't fall in.
Let me have a tough landing, though. Let me hot